Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I am teaching you cute bow nails art step by step guide. This chick polka dot designs add a touch of cuteness with an accent bow. Let's move to step number 1, how to make the bow design. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails, ring finger and thumbnails with a white nail polish. Paint the rest of your nails with a black nail polish. Step number 2, using a dotting tool and a white nail polish, create a polka dot pattern on your black nails. Step number 3, using a dotting tool and a black nail polish, place a large black dot in the center of your white nails to be knot of the bow. Let's talk about next step number 4, using a nail art brush and a black nail polish, create sideways heart shapes on each side of your black dot to be the loops of the bow. Step number 5, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, fill in the heart shapes and black dot, but leave a thin black outline. Step number 6, using a nail art brush and the black nail polish, add detail to the bow by drawing a V shape inside each loop. Step number 7, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Thank you.